Ever found yourself staring at a bill, a sudden expense, or just a gap in your finances, and thought, where am I going to get the money? We've all been there. It's that sinking feeling, the worry, the scramble to figure things out. In today's world, where unexpected costs seem to pop up constantly, having a safety net is more crucial than ever. But what if that safety net wasn't a stressful loan application or begging friends and family? What if it was right there, in an app you already use? That's where we need to talk about Rocket Money. You probably know it for its incredible subscription management features, helping you cancel unwanted services and save money. But did you know it also offers a way to borrow money? Yes, you heard that right. Rocket Money, the app you use to budget and save, can also potentially help you bridge financial gaps. Now, before we dive into the specifics, let's address the elephant in the room. Borrowing money isn't always the answer. It's a tool, and like any tool, it needs to be used responsibly. We're not here to encourage impulsive spending or getting into debt you can't manage. What we are here to do is explore a potential option that Rocket Money provides, so you can make informed decisions about your finances. So, how does Rocket Money actually let you borrow money? It's not a traditional loan system like you'd find at a bank. Instead, it offers what they call cash advances. Think of it as a short-term, small-dollar loan designed to help you cover immediate needs. It's not meant for long-term financial planning, but rather for those moments when you need a little extra to get by. The first thing to understand is that Rocket Money's cash advance feature is integrated within their existing platform. This means it's accessible to users who already have an account and are using the app for budgeting and financial management. This integration is key because it allows Rocket Money to get a better understanding of your financial situation. How does it work? Well, when you apply for a cash advance, Rocket Money analyzes your account activity. They look at your income, spending habits, and overall financial health. This isn't just a credit score check, it's a holistic assessment of your financial patterns. They want to see if you have a consistent income stream and if you're managing your finances responsibly. This analysis allows them to determine if you qualify for a cash advance and how much you might be eligible to borrow. The amount you can borrow is typically relatively small, often ranging from a few dollars to a few $100s. This is intentional, as it's designed to be a short-term solution for immediate needs, not a large loan. The process is generally quick and straightforward. You apply within the app, and if approved, the funds are deposited directly into your linked bank account. This speed is one of the key advantages of Rocket Money's cash advance feature. When you're facing an urgent expense, time is of the essence. Now, let's talk about the costs. Rocket Money typically charges a small fee for their cash advance service. This fee is usually a fixed amount rather than an interest rate. This transparency can be helpful, as you know exactly how much you'll be paying up front. However, it's crucial to understand that this fee can translate to a high APR if you don't repay the advance quickly. This brings us to the most important aspect, repayment. Rocket Money expects you to repay the cash advance within a short period, typically with your next paycheck. This is why it's crucial to ensure you have a clear understanding of your income and expenses before taking out a cash advance. Missing a repayment can lead to additional fees and potentially impact your ability to access the service in the future. It's also important to note that Rocket Money's cash advance feature isn't available to everyone. Eligibility is based on several factors, including your account activity, financial health, and other criteria. Not everyone who applies will be approved. This is part of their responsible lending practices. So, when might a Rocket Money cash advance be a useful tool? Imagine you're between paychecks and your car breaks down. You need to get it fixed to get to work, but you don't have the cash on hand. A small cash advance could help you cover the repair costs and avoid missing work. Or perhaps you have an unexpected medical bill that needs to be paid before your next paycheck. A cash advance could help you bridge the gap and avoid late fees. These are the types of situations where a short-term, small-dollar loan can be a valuable resource. However, it's crucial to emphasize that Rocket Money's cash advance should not be used for non-essential expenses or to cover recurring bills. It's not a solution for long-term financial problems. If you're consistently struggling to make ends meet, it's important to address the underlying issues, such as creating a budget, reducing expenses, or increasing your income. Rocket Money provides a range of tools and resources to help you manage your finances effectively. Their subscription management feature can help you identify and cancel unnecessary expenses, freeing up cash flow. Their budgeting tools can help you track your spending and identify areas where you can save money. Before you consider using Rocket Money's cash advance feature, take a close look at your financial situation. Ask yourself, do I really need this money right now? Can I repay the advance on time? Are there any alternative options available? If you're unsure, it's always a good idea to seek advice from a financial advisor or other trusted professional. They can help you assess your situation and make informed decisions about your finances. It's also crucial to understand the language used by Rocket Money and other financial apps. The word advance can be misleading. It's still money you are borrowing. It's not free money. It's a loan with associated fees. It's important to read the fine print, understand the terms, and know exactly what you're signing up for. One of the biggest benefits of using Rocket Money's cash advance feature is its convenience. It's integrated within an app you're already using, making the process quick and easy. This can be especially helpful when you're facing an urgent financial need. However, it's important to remember that convenience comes at a cost. The fees associated with cash advances can be higher than traditional loans, especially when expressed as an APR. This is why it's crucial to compare the costs and benefits of different options before making a decision. It's crucial to remember that this isn't a long-term solution. It's a temporary fix. If you're consistently struggling to make ends meet, it's important to address the underlying issues. Rocket Money provides a range of tools and resources to help you manage your finances effectively, and you should take advantage of them. Use the budgeting tools, utilize the subscription cancellation features, and educate yourself on personal finance. Rocket Money is a tool to help you with your finances, but it cannot solve all your problems. You must be proactive in managing your money. Remember, responsible borrowing is key. Only borrow what you need and what you can afford to repay on time. Always read the fine print and understand the terms and conditions. And if you're unsure, seek advice from a financial professional. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.